You got me drowning in your love, love.